If you're manufacturing, we could help optimize the kind of SKUs, the kind of variants that you should be producing, the kind of demands that you could see coming forward, into the future, right? That could help optimize manufacturing processes or align buying decisions into whatever you're trying to sell. If you are, let's say, a process house that's printing, we could help you with the kind of imprinting that is happening today, um, and therefore you can maybe invest in optimizing those kind of printing processes. The other thing that you could also do is, let's say, return rates. Um, if you are having higher than industry average return rate, we could look at the data and suggest a few things that you could do in terms of information that could be shown to the user upfront, some process labs that we could identify that could lead to lower return rates, or in general try to optimize the kind of products that you are pushing to the user when they're searching for something in general. Of three or four sort of points off the top of my head for apparel, let's say.
Yeah. So I one of these things I recently read how I think if I'm pronouncing the name of the company correctly, Shane. It's an apparel company from China, if I'm not wrong. Their manufacturing and their go-to market time from manufacturing to ensuring the product is available to the end customers, they have reduced it drastically to a few days. And if I remember that article correctly, what they do is they use Google Trends to identify the popular search, what people are searching for. That gets translated to their team of designers immediately within hours. The designers then design this and it goes into production. Everything happens within days. So, and the whole process is automated. So from getting identifying the demand to ensuring that the products are available on their store happens within days. And all this through automating processes using AI solutions. And you can't imagine unless you read something like this can actually be done. And it's amazing. We know how successful they have been. So I mean,
No, that's massive. That's massive. So even if you're not increasing your top line, you're reducing so much of your inventory, so much of your lag time that your bottom line gets impacted heavily.